I don't know where your keys are, but look what I
Ray,
got.
I don't give a fuck about flowers right now. I think I'm having a miscarriage.
Yo, what? Is it because of the weed? Is it my fault?
I don't know. I need to get to the hospital.
Well, you shouldn't be driving right now. Let me take you.
I don't need your help, Ray.
Do you want to keep looking for keys or do you want to get to the doctor's office?
Okay. Just don't kill me on the way.
Hey. Is the baby okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Was it my fault?
Well, doctor says that this sort of thing happens to a lot of women at this stage in their pregnancy. So.
Did you tell him
Her?
about the weed?
Yes, I told her about the weed. She said that one time is not gonna hurt the baby.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my goodness. Like for the last couple hours, I kept thinking like I killed your baby. I killed your baby. I'm so sorry. I can't do this again. I won't do this again.
Good. You better not.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, give me a hand. We would appreciate that very much.
Excuse me? Another relative would like some time with you.
Get out of here.
Okay, you just... I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. It's okay. You sure it's not a boy? I'm joking. I love you.
Get out of here now.
Where's Janessa?
Oh, Lisa's bringing her.
You good?
I am now, man. I don't know which one was more scary, right? Janessa freaking out or me thinking that I caused it. You feel me?
No, you should have saw her with Cam. She was out of control, yo. It must have been the hormones or something, because
Yo, where is Cam? She was not at the hospital.
she ran back to LA, trying to save her own ass.
Yo, that's gonna mess her and us up, though.
Yeah, bro.
Think you can think of something that can bring her back?
A gun. A pair of handcuffs, maybe, but
Let me borrow that gun.
Dad might have one in the back.
Smart.
Something happened tonight. I thought I was gonna lose my baby.
What?
It doesn't matter. It's fine now. But as I was lying in the hospital bed, I kept thinking about you and my God. It's your baby, isn't it?
Yeah.
As soon as I can, I'm wiring you the 50,000.
Did you get into the Glenfiddich?
That's all you have to say?
What the fuck you want me to say, Janessa?
I don't know. Thank you?
Tell you what. When the check actually hits my bank, I'll send you a really nice note.
Good night, Cameron.
Good night, Janessa.
Nice of your sister to sleep in the other room.
Yeah, but I think she needed the space just as much as I needed the space. No, we gotta go downstairs.
Oh, you're no fun.
What? Okay. Hey, what do you think about starting in Patagonia?
My trip?
Our trip.
You're deferring.
Yeah, okay, so I can't decide if medicine is something I can live without, and I feel like taking a year off will help me decide that.
It should, but why Patagonia?
I mean, why not Patagonia? Plus, it was on my mom's bucket list, and I feel like it's just good as a place to start as anywhere else.
Okay. Well, Patagonia it is.
I already have 3 new potential investors, one of which is already offering to double SOE's offer. All we gotta do is slow the fuck down, live off of the $50K I'm about to throw in, and we can finally run our business our way.
How far down the line are you with these new investor leads?
Talking.
Like, hello, how are you talking, or something more serious?
Different stages with each one.
And the 50K, when's that coming in?
The investors said that they'd be wiring it at the end of the week, top of next. It's family money.
Yeah,
What?
right. So you want us to blow up 10 million for your bullshit soon, almost, maybe.
Hey, you gotta trust me, man. It's more than
I
that.
got a kid to feed, for crying out loud. With all the work we put into this app, I don't want to see this fucking app go up in your smoke.
Excuse me, it's my God act. It's
Hey,
my.
let's vote. Who wants to take the SOE offer?
Whoa. Hey, you can't vote me down. This is my app.
We just did. We're taking the offer. You can stay and grow it with us, or you can cash out now.
Fucking fine. You people are going to be begging me to come back. Just like Apple and Steve Jobs.
You know Jobs.
Fuck you, George! What are you doing here?
I came to get you.
Waste of time.
What happened?
I lost. They took the cash.
Well, like, can't be all bad, right? I mean, you had to come out with a big chunk of that.
It's never about the money. My God was my baby. Now it's gone.
Did they throw you up?
No, but like, I can't let somebody else raise my baby. Ask permission every time I want to do something. No.
Wild idea. Why don't you come back with me?
Did Janessa send you?
No. Fact is, nobody even knows that I'm here.
So is this some Hail Mary attempt to save the trust?
The way I see it is, you just got screwed over by your work family. How does that feel? Do you really want to do the same thing to your real family? I got us 2 tickets. Gotta leave soon. We will arrive with enough time to change clothes. We might be a little late to the funeral. Thank you, Ray. Oh, you're welcome, you know.
I'll think about it. Can you imagine Janessa's face, you and me walking into that thing right in the middle of it?
It's worth it just for that.
Maybe. What airline?
Spirit.
No. I can't fly Spirit.
Yeah, you can.
No,
You
I
do
can't.
all things through Christ that strengthens you.
It's called Spirit Airlines because you go up a human and you come back down a spirit.
Before I invite you all to the internment, is there anyone else that has words to share with us?
I got something to say.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've been working on it for the past 2 hours. When I was a little girl, my dad was invited to be on the show Beat Bobby Flay. It's gonna be great publicity for Elijah's and for Dad. But it just so happened to be shooting in LA during the time Dad promised to take us to vacation in Florida. Tickets were bought, everything. Nancy told him to go. She said she'd take us to Florida without him. She was always his biggest cheerleader. But, you know what Dad did? He told them that he would go, but only if he bought us all tickets and put us up. Dad was willing to pass on the biggest break of his life to keep his word to his family. The pictures from that trip are amazing. We were all so happy to be together. Even when Ray ate too much and puked all over Bobby Flay. That's the kind of man my dad was. A man of principle. A man who loved his family more than he loved himself. It's something we could all work on. But I know we will. I know we're gonna do it. Thank you. That was beautiful. I meant it. Sorry too, Janessa.
What's got you home again?
Ray. Apparently he can bitch.
We got some thirsty aunties and uncles back here. What is going on?
I forgot to buy water.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. People make mistakes, okay? It's fine.
You do it. You know, you just fuck up all the time and sorry.
No, it's cool. Like, straight up. I just remind myself that, you know, next time, I'll be better. Besides, what do they say? Like, to err is human.
How do you even know that book?
That's a book. I thought it was just something they said in church. Anyway, look. This is what we'll do. Yeah, look. We can use this. Fill this up, they can drink out of this.
Oh my God, why didn't I think of that?
Because you're probably hungry, man.
No.
Yeah, but you gotta remember, you
I'm
eating
fine.
for 2 now. Probably eating for 3. You just don't know about
Okay,
it.
you can stop with that now.
4.
Stop it.
Okay, Optimum.
Hey!
Okay. Come on. You fill this up.
What are you doing? Okay, open the bag. Jeez. All right.
Oh.
So, I noticed that you switched the slideshow back.
I did.
Everyone loved it, including me.
I know.
Why is it that people have to say goodbye 5 times before they actually leave?
Maybe because they're worried you go to LA, we'll never see you again.
Well, might be sticking around for a little while longer.
So, the vote.
You know what? Today's not about me.
Okay. Well, I gotta head out, so I decided to turn in my 2 weeks. Take your advice.
Actually, I have some news myself. If you don't mind just coming up over here with us right quick with the family. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I'm coming.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Ma'am, we're waiting. We're waiting.
Okay.
We're patiently waiting for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Waiting for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, God bless you, ma'am.
Okay.
As you know, I have been talking to Jeremiah all day, and we have came to an agreement that, well, drum roll, please. A little bit louder. I will be starting the 4 a.m. shifts at Elijah.
Wow, you really want to work there, huh?
I do, and it's a start.
Good for you.
So, I'm sort of tempted to finish this off.
No,
Janessa.
Janessa. You don't know whose mouth that's been in or where their mouth's been at.
I didn't say I was gonna do it. I didn't say I was gonna do it.
You were gonna do it. She was totally gonna do it. I'm so glad you said something.
It's cool, because Uncle Ray got way more in store where that came from.
You are gonna teach my kid how to bake, though, right?
I'm going to teach that kid everything that I know.
What does
including
that mean?
Bacon, smoking,
Smoking.
token.
Smoking.
I'm joking. Okay, I'm playing. I would just bongs, all right? Okay. Okay. Oh, man.
Wow. I think they'd be really proud of us.
Yeah.
I mean, look at us, all together. I wanted to kill each other for once.
Yeah. Don't jinx it.
You right.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta head out, so.
Wait. We need a picture of all of us before you.
Oh, I'm in the middle.
Let
Shotgun.
Yeah, I can take it.
And here we go.
Come on, Prego.
Hey.
Whatever. I'm excited. I'm gonna be an auntie.
Me too. Aunt and Ray.